Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to check mouse DPI in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, wait until the best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. The moment you bring up the control panel window, if your view or window doesn't look like this, simply proceed with view by at the upper right side of the screen and set it into large icons. Once you're done, please locate for mouse. In my case, I have seen it here in my second row next to fonts. Click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to bring up the mouse point properties where here you need to navigate with pointer options and then check this option which is enhance pointer precision rather. Click on apply and then OK. Once you're good, close the window or minimize it and proceed with the button search bar again. And here, type for Chrome. So the moment you've typed for Chrome, you just have to wait until a best match would appear again. Click on open once it's here. Now, the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, you just have to wait until everything are set here, okay, before we proceed. And once everything are set, please use the search bar and type for mousesensitivity.com. Once you've typed that, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result where you can see a top result which is this. All you need to do is you need to click this link so that you would be able to proceed on the mouse sensitivity converter and calculator. Now all you need to do, okay, in the mouse sensitivity calculator and converter, okay, please select on the DPI. Okay. And if you don't see in any, just have to click on this home. Okay. To proceed on the home tab. Okay. And from here, please scroll down. Okay. And locate for the option where you can see the DPI. Okay. So we just have to click on this one, which is this. Okay, we just have to navigate with here, tools, yes, tools, and go with DPI analyzer. Again, navigate to tools and navigate to DPI analyzer and wait until the DPI analyzer would be available for us. And from here, please scroll down. Okay, and there we go. We can now see the option where you can configure what is your mouse DPI. Okay, so in the units, okay, click this down arrow and select on inches. Okay, and once you have set it, please type a target distance, and that is 1. Okay, again, under the units, please set it into inches and target distance is 1. And at the bottom of that, you can see there a red pointer, a red circle. All you need to do is you need to drag from here to 2 to 3 inch. So the inch is this, first inch, second inch, and third inch. So drag it here to 2 to 3 inch. Okay. Again, try again. Drag to the 2 to 3 inch. Okay, try it again. And here we go. So my mouse DPI goes to 280 to 281.60. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to check the mouse DPI in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.